In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Angular material in Angular6. In Angular6, introduction of the energy add command greatly simplifies the installation of Angular material. In this video, I'm going to explain how to install Angular material and create a sample table. At first, we're going to make a project by Angular6. It is for testing Angular material. Type energy new project name. Any project name will do. It will take some time. Then, change into the project directory. Next, type code dot for starting Visual Studio Code. In a VS Code, open the command line window by typing Ctrl and back apostrophe key. We are going to install Angular material. In the command line, type energy add at Angular/material. This process will modify package.json file, index.html file, and app.module.ts file. So you don't need to import material icon and a certain module. Next, we are going to test this project. Type ngs for starting local server. In a browser, open localhost colon 4200. You will find the default page. OK. Back in the VS Code, type Ctrl-C and Y return to stop the server. Next, we're going to add a sample table. In command line, type energy generate at Angular/material column material dash table dash name equal my table. My table is a tag name, so you can use as your favorite name. If you open app.module.ts file, you will find mat table module, mat paginator module, and mat sort module, which were imported automatically. Open app.component.html file. Delete the default HTML and add my table tag or your original tag name. Save this file. In a command line, and type NGS for starting local server. Back in the browser, you will find a sample table with sort and paging functions. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching.